In this video, we're going to help you diagnose the sensing bars in your dryer. So to diagnose your sensing bars, you need to understand a little bit about what the sensing bars do. So on your automatic cycle, on your dryer, what it's basically doing is taking your wet clothes from your washer and they're tumbling in the dryer. Those wet clothes are rubbing against these bars. And what they're actually doing, as the damp clothing comes across one bar and touches the other bar on its way by, that completes the circuit. Every time that circuit's completed, it stops the timer from advancing. So the wetter your clothes, the longer it's going to take for them to dry. As the clothes start to dry, there's less moisture coming across these bars and the timer will advance. So that way your automatic cycle is based on the amount of dryness that your clothes become as they go through the cycle. So the things that happens with these is they'll get coated with some of the chemicals that are in fabric sheets, bounce sheets and that style softening sheets, and that coating will prevent them from sensing the moisture that's rubbing across them. So before you replace them, you'll just want to clean them. And in a lot of dryers you can clean them without actually having to remove them out of the machine. So you just take a cloth with some general household cleaner and just give them a good hard rub, clean them up a bit. You will have to replace them if something's gotten in behind them. Say you've hit some pins or needles, something that's come out of the clothing and has wedged itself into one of them and popped it out or created a bit of a burr or a sharp point. And you'll start finding that your fabric starts catching on it and starts pulling it, pitting it, and starting to pull threads. So if you're experiencing that and you find that these are bent or got a bit of a sharp spot, you have to replace them. And they're very easy. Once you have them out of the machine, you just need a small blade screwdriver and you can just pop it in underneath the bar and just pop it out from the one side and it just lifts out of the other. And some of these are available separately like this. Some of them come with right in the housing themselves. But that's how you diagnose your sensing bars.